Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals. First, create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Break down large topics into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Gather all your study materials, including notes, textbooks, and past exam papers, well in advance. This organized approach will lay a strong foundation for effective preparation, ensuring you cover all necessary content systematically and efficiently. Remember, good planning is half the battle won. Next, engage in active learning strategies to truly embed information. Don't just reread, actively test yourself using flashcards or by answering practice questions without looking at your notes. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself, as if you are teaching it. Summarize key information in your own words after each study session. These methods significantly improve retention and understanding, making your study time much more productive and effective for long-term memory. Practice is crucial for success. Work through previous exam papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and understand the question formats. Identify your weak areas from these practice sessions and dedicate extra study time to them. Regularly review all subjects, perhaps for 20 to 30 minutes each, to prevent forgetting information. Consistent practice builds confidence and sharpens your problem-solving skills for exam day. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs better. Maintain a balanced diet and stay hydrated throughout your study period, drinking plenty of water. Take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to avoid burnout and improve your focus. Approaching your exams feeling refreshed and healthy will significantly boost your performance and overall confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.